Here we are in the elevator in the Koppers building in downtown Pittsburgh. $14. That's it. Alright, we're going down 12. This is the service elevator in the Koppers building. Let's listen to it, be quiet. Look at this, guys. Yeah, that door's shut. Yep. Should go in a second. There we go. Let's listen to it, be quiet. Let's listen to it going down, be quiet. Seems really neat. Let's listen to it, be quiet. Here we go. We didn't get to ride the one in the Gulf, so I don't know what that is. It's pretty fast for a freight elevator. It's been modernized, but it's still a beautiful elevator. I'm gonna have to throw it out of here. No. It's really fast. We're going all the way down to the sub-basement. Oh, in the video down there. My ears are popping.